start off with the easiest one, the tailgate handle bezel. We also got some bed caps and some mud flaps, as you can see over there. So we'll put the bed caps on next, and then I also got some fender flares I'm going to slap on there too. So let's get started on these. Got all the tape, plastic off the inside, and I got this long piece started. So just start on the back and set it on, and then work our way up. And also, these are Stampede brand, and I got them off eBay. They're the same as my other truck, if anybody's wondering. I had to put a whole extra layer of 3M tape on there because I didn't think it was actually even going to hit. So I got an extra layer on there, got all the tape started. I never put one of these on before, so see how it goes. Put the pins in first. I got tape started, like I said, and then I'll take that off and hopefully it sticks. The fitment is actually not horrible. The only bad part is right here in this corner. There's a little gap. You can see the tape in there. Not bad. Got them all on. Got this side on too. All these front corners are the worst spots. And the worst one is this corner actually. But not too bad actually, for the most part. Obviously, the only reason I'm doing all this stuff is just to cover up stuff that I don't want to see. I'm not worried about it, what's underneath. It's just a work truck, daily driver, drive it in the snow and mud and all that, so just making it look a little better. All the flares and the mud flaps and the bed caps and everything that I had installed today, I got them all on. You had to jack the truck up, put it on Jack's hands, and take the wheels off, do the mud flaps. Had to have 2 people to hold and drill, find out where to drill the holes, so I didn't film that. I'll get it outside in a little bit. Do another walk around. Everything went on pretty good. So I got a couple more things planned pretty soon for the interior. And take the seats out and swap the consoles, that console I was talking about. Also have this panel that goes under the passenger side of the dash. I'll install that, give the interior good detail. So after that, I guess I'll just try to find a grill and maybe a hood and maybe do something with that bumper. And also I'll take the sticker off the tailgate and maybe some other stickers. But other than that, stay tuned for the next video.